it's Patty Lynch, your independent Princess House consultant, coming at you. I wanted to come on and let you know what our current Hostess specials are right now. So Princess House has been around. Oh, close unused applications. Princess House has been around now for 58 amazing years. And it's just unbelievable what Princess House actually gives you for hosting a party. And I don't know if I just lost. There you are. All right. Hopefully this is transferring okay and you guys can see me. And we have one of the most robust hostess programs out there. And I wanted to share with you what I can offer you right now. So when you host a party with Princess House, you start off by earning a half price item, anything in the catalog that you would like for half off. You get to go shopping, anything you want for half off. Starts there. Then you get to choose, when you have 350 in sales, you get $85 worth of free credit to go shopping. 350 in sales, it could be yourself doing your own party, or you can be collecting the outside orders, doing a Facebook party, doing a Zoom party, catalog show, home party, what have you, and then you get $85 worth of credit. But say you rebook yourself, or you have a friend that books for you, then you actually earn a hostess reward. And right now, at 350 in sales, you earn double hostess credit. Yes, double hostess credit. So 350 in sales, double hostess credit would normally be $29.95. So 85 times 2 is $170 worth of credit with a 350 party. Hello! You get to go shopping and pick anything you want out of our catalog. Anything you want. That's the 350 level. And it goes up from there. Okay? A 550 party, at 550 in sales, you would be a premium hostess. At 550 in sales, you would earn $155 worth of credit to go shopping, plus your half off item. Your double hostess credit for $29.95. So 155 and 155. Let's see if anybody's on. 155 and 155 would be your 310 worth of credit for $29.95, right? But we have, somebody's going to book from you. Now you have a choice to make. You have two options. You're going to be able to select our beautiful Vita Sana, air fryer. Okay, it has bells and whistles, lots of information on it, plus the accessories. The accessories have 4 of the cute little mini muffin tins, and then a cake round circular to go inside. All right, so you'll be able to get that, which retails for $350. You'll be able to get that for $89.95. Okay? Or you'd be able to get, now this set is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can see it right here. I'm going to pull it up. This here is our Marbella Holiday Set. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can tell by the detail. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. It is microwave and oven safe. It's beautiful. You're going to get 4 of the luncheon plates, 4 of the dinner plates, 4 of the bowls with the peekaboo inside, poinsettia, and 4 of the cups. Okay? You're going to get, so it's a place setting of 4. Now this set would retail for $315. But as a host, you would only pay $79.95. Think about it. 4 of the dinner plates in the catalog would cost you $89.95. You can get the whole set, a dinner set, for 4 people for that for less than that, only $80 by hosting a party right now. Okay, that is a steal. But then if you bump it up and you become our super premium host and you have a 750 party, you earn $195 worth of credit. You times that by 2, that's $390 worth of credit for $29.95 plus tax and shipping. And a host never pays more for all of their host rewards than $25, no matter what. So that's $390 worth of credit to pick up anything you want in the catalog, but now you have 2 choices to make. Okay, so you're already going to get the double credit. You need to select the poinsettia plates. Which one would you like? The poinsettia plates or the air fryer with the accessories? Now, we have, this one here is our 25 quart stock pot, okay? So this one's pretty big, stainless steel stock pot, okay? It also comes with, if I can get it out, the stainless steel rack inside. It has little feet on the bottom. You can make it bigger. You can use this actually for a cookie sheet too. So this one's 25 quarts, which is pretty big. The one that you can select is actually 40 quarts. It is almost double the size of this one. It retails for $470, but you would only have to pay under $100 for it, right? Isn't that a great deal? Or, you ready? Or you can select, we have a new line of cookware out there. It's called our pH Cook Solution Set, and this set is our stackables. So you're saving space in your kitchen. It also has the rings inside to measure your teaspoon and your tablespoon of your oils. And it has measurements up the side for healthy cooking. So this one here is your 14-inch 8-quart and your 16-quart casserole stock pot. And you can kind of see it right there, right in the center there. So that set would normally retail for $460. You can get that set, those 2 pieces of cookware, for under $100. Or, so you get to choose 2. Which 2 are you going to select? You ready? This one is brand spanking new in the catalog. It comes with these 2 pieces here. And it comes with more too. And they are metal. Okay. It is our Vita Sana Deluxe 7-quart stand mixer. This stand mixer is amazing. It does have, sorry about that, it has feet on the bottom. It has the suction cups on the bottom. So it's going to stick to your counter. So that way when you are cooking or mixing and baking, it's not going to move on you, which is great. It's 7 quarts. It's bigger than your average other competitor out there. It's a stainless steel bowl. It has 7 quarts. It has the handle. So most bowls don't have a handle, which is great. It has the shield up the top sleeve, so that way you can pour in, and that way you can do double batches, and it's not going to splatter everywhere. It has this special button on the side here. So it has a dial for different levels, but you can push it in and off, on and off, so that way it can stop it momentarily and not stop it completely, so that way you can add more to it. It does also come with the big whip inside as well, the wire one. So this here normally would go for almost $550, but as a host right now, you can get it for only $149.95 with a 750 party. So you can get this, you can get the stock pot, you can get either the air fryer or the poinsettia plates, plus the double hostess credit right now by hosting your party with me today or one of my consultants if they're sharing this video. And I am going to pay your $29.95 to get double hostess credit. So when your party qualifies at $750 in sales, you can earn $390 worth of credit for just your tax and shipping for all the rest of your items that you're going to be getting and whatever you're going to pay. So right now is the time to be hosting a Princess House party. But don't wait. We only have 2 more weeks to go. So reach out to your consultant or myself, Patty Lynch at myprincesshouse.com, so we can get you on our calendars today. All right? Thank you so much, and have a spectacular evening. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic evening. I'll talk to you later.